EBK if you all in the way, you in the field with a vet. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this bitch on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this bitch on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Vestido Mbappé, rich como Mbappé, I can never let her off stop me. In the backseat, I'm with your bitch, si me encanta ese topic. Windows black, that's a fact, she don't even mind getting sloppy. Shooter outside, holding the mat, si le digo dispara y like copy. Ábrame la ventana para ventilar este humo. Fuck you, Mr. Officer, soy un trap star, so you know. Fumo, bebo, vendo, ¿qué le digo? Pa'l carajo ese celdo. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this bitch on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam, bam. It's bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this bitch on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this bitch on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this bitch on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We are trading live on this beautiful Tuesday, and today is the 10th of February. So, gotta be nice day. We had the news at 8:30. Not much going on right now. We're trading about the 8:30. So, chart looks good. Beautiful V shape. Now, I don't see so much thing. I just go with the flow, I guess, today. We have targets on the both sides. We have this high and we have the low, which is Asia low on the downside. So, gonna be an exciting day. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let me see who's in the house. Cici, good morning. Shop with Azal, good morning. Halspeed, good morning. Jorge, good morning. Egil, good morning. Babaka, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen. If this is your first time, all we do is trade Nasdaq futures. Good morning, Psychology. Good morning, Tor. It's good to see you all, guys. So today I'm testing out the new, the legendary, upgraded version of the care package. It will be released very soon. I think we will release this for everyone in the March, so you guys will have an idea of what's going on. So let's test that together. Peter, good morning. Felix, good morning. XX, good morning. And Peter in the house. Fleur, good morning. So, guys, we have 5 minutes. And as you can see that we have a correlated market right now. And with the new care package indicator, we have changed a lot of things. Sound problem? I don't think so. Do we really have the sound problem? Don't throw me out, guys. Do we really have the sound problem? Type into chat, guys. Type into chat that if the sound works well. Okay. No. Okay. So the sound is working. All right. Let's continue. So with the new care package, what we upgraded is we changed the name of the fair value gap. Okay. If this is a bearish fair value gap, we call this as a CB. And if it's a bullish, we're calling as a BC. And what we added is the suspension block from the ICT concepts, which is introduced in 2025. Okay. And we added the first FVG of the day. I got excited. I just kicked the mic. Okay. So a lot of new updates. This will be crazy toolkit. And like we promised, it will be the world's best ever ICT concepts indicator ever designed and published. So, right. And obviously, we're gonna have the updates on the in time, which includes the AI features. You heard it right. So, a lot of you guys has been asking that, oh, Borsa, I've been trading gold. Which breaker length should I use? And so, to answer all of that, we have added the backtest feature and the AI feature. Basically, what's gonna do is like, let me just show you. Oh, I don't have it here, but basically what it will do is, oh, here we have the AI optimizer. We have, you can just play around with the breaker length. You can just do that stuff, and the SMT feature now will work like a charm. And what we have is the released like a 1 year. We didn't do any increase on the price. So unfortunately, we have to do that. Now, if you're thinking to grab it, we are running one last time, 30% off. It will finish this weekend. So you take it or you leave it. It's up to you. All right. Super focused on the chart right now. We have 2 minutes. And by the time goes, we will just do some tests and see what's going on with the new toolkit and all that stuff. My aim is to make around like $1,000 today. Let's get it that. Also, let me just start the live on the Discord, the Zero Lag Room. Okay, live here also. All right, guys. This is the new care package. If you guys already have the toolkit, you don't have to do anything. We will just transfer all the users to the new one. So you just need to add it to your chart. So new features. Again, like I said, it will be the best in the industry. We added the suspension block. We have the first fair value gap of today. So this is the beta version, okay? What you see on my chart is the beta version. We are testing it. And usually test took like a 1 month, unfortunately. Because a lot of you guys now using on your live accounts and so on. To get the most stable version, we need to backtest this. But this is what it look like, okay? The CB is the bearish fair value gap. BC is the bullish fair value gap. So you can just follow up on me. All right. I have a little problem with my throat here. I hope I don't get this called. Okay, 40 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Onaga, good morning. Welcome. Yesterday was a beautiful day. We got the 4 trades, 3 win, and 3A plus was like a amazing day, I can say. So we just hit this CB over here. We can easily go back to the 830 opening price. Let's see. Exciting. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, market just open, ladies and gentlemen. Market just open, beautiful people. Let's see what is it all about. So, gonna be crazy day. A plus signal from the toolkit, and we are now laser focused on the chart. We're just waiting. Good morning, Joshua. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. I want to just take it 3 contracts here and all. Okay, the stop loss is above us. Let's see. A very choppy market. Very choppy market. I don't want to get a candle that closes above the 930. A very choppy opening. Right now in a short. Risky one. Okay, we're running this. We're running this. I want to take a quick partials on this one because the price didn't settle down yet. Okay, the candle close just a little below the 930. Okay, I'm out of this trade right now. We're just gonna wait. $150 loss. Oh my god, what is this volatility here? Beautiful. I guess we have a NFP tomorrow, so we need to be a little careful on this. Looking for to re-enter the shore. Look at this. How many times we got rejected from this CB? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay. Shall we go one more time? 20 seconds. Oh my god, the idea was right. The candle retest this is like a crazy, huge ones. All right, 9, 8. Come on. This is cool. This is cool. Let's see the ES. ES is going on the opposite side. So a little trouble. Little trouble. A plus sell signal. C can destroy. Yeah, tomorrow we have the NFP. So usually the day before NFPs is like trouble. All right. Come on. I'm waiting patiently here. I think we will get the nice setup, but the only thing bothers me is the ES right now. ES is bad boy. Okay. Looking for shorts. Nice targets on the downside. We have a beautiful Asia low. Oh man. Oh man. Patience, patience, guys. Patience, guys. Okay. Back and forth price action right now. Need to wait. We didn't get any FVG. I want to see the first FVG of the day. Come on. Beautiful A plus sell. Beautiful A plus sell. Oh my lord. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. Want to do some dollar cost average here. My stop loss is a solid candle closure. Below 930, let's see. My indicators have disappeared and I can't see to get them back. What? I have it all of here. Seems like working fine. Just give me a moment. I will test. I will do a refresh, but I don't think there's a problem. All right. I want to write this A plus sell. Come on. Give us some speed. Give us some speed, baby. Seems like doesn't want to drop. I'm watching the ES to see if we get a new session lows. I want to see new session lows on both pairs. Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. ATR is 18.2, which is cool. This A plus cell is like good, but man, look at the candle sizes. Madness. All right. The prices keep rejecting from the 930 opening price. Okay. So, like, let me just do a refresh for UL speed to see what's going on. Ah, nothing lows on your chart. So strange because all the tools are working like a charm. Maybe perhaps it's your internet connection or something. I don't know, just an idea. All right, we're still riding this A plus sell signal. Come on, baby. The target is 830 opening price. It's just too much chop, man. It's just too much chop. Okay, new session lows on both pairs. Oh my lord, come on, 830. We just hit the partial. Come on, I just want to ride this. I don't know where it will go, but I think we can go deep to this bullish order block, which is the 20s. Can we hit the 20s? I will not be a greedy. Come on, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, so close. It's just a 10 points, 5 points. Just a little more. Come on. Oh my god. If it returns back from here, I will be sad, boy. Come on. Come on. This time you will do it. Oh my god. 830 is showing rejection. Boom. We did it, boys and girls. Another one in this choppy day. Who said you don't trade before the NFP? Come on. This is the way. A plus sell. We just banked more than, I believe, 50 points. This is crazy. This is crazy. Comeback is real. The prices keep going down. It was so obvious. Why? Because how many times we tested this bearish FVGs, CBs, and rejected back and trade below the 930. So obvious. The only thing you need to focus is your sizing to not get stopped out, to not blow the accounts, okay? Always banking the market. Thank you, Joshua. Let's go, let's go. Now we have the Asia low below us. Looks like a nice target over here. Looks like a nice target. All right. So the first FPG of today, the first presented FPG, we can make this color to that one. Okay, let it low. Let's see. Come on, give me that. This is the first FPG. A plus also on the ES. Beautiful day. Where is the first FPG? Let's make it this the opposite. Okay, Asia low. Asia low looking beautiful from here. Let me tell you guys that. Okay, this is the first FVG of today, the first presented FVG. So gotta be very careful. Gotta be very careful. We can test this back, and what we can do is perhaps take a one more short. It's like a continuation setup, right? Okay. I will be the shorter one here. Come on. 44. Can we get the 44? 939. The macro is about to over. Do we have more news today? No. Cool. I couldn't get filled, but this looks nice. Outside of the macro now. That's sad. Bum bum bum. House speed, did you fix the problem? Okay, the first FVG of the day got retested 2 times. Okay. Target is clear. Target is clear. The Asia low looking beautiful from here. Looking beautiful from the highs. I'm just watching the ES to see if it drop further. Asia low at the 78s. ATR is 23.5. It's acting like it's more than that, but it is what it is, guys. What do you guys think? Are we going to hit the Asia low or what? Oh my god, it's going. Okay, we just took the Asia low and I took $400 more on this trade, which is cool. Look at this. What can you ask from a toolkit more? You have the suspension blocks now. You have the first FVG of the day now. It's a beautiful one. We are on a winning streak, baby. Okay, we're going down more further. Interesting. Boom, boom, boom. Restarting my computer now. Oh, really? It's sad to hear, man. It's bad that it happened in, middle of the session. It happened to me also before. So, I feel you. Ladies and gentlemen, the market is keep crashing it. We're down like 0.3% now. We have this big bullish FVG. Yes, Samuel, it's easy like that. Where is this coming from? This is strange. Oh, it's an hourly fair value gap. Okay. All right. Market took all the targets on the downside, the targets that we are interested in. Now we basically chilling. Beautiful trades. It's definitely beautiful trades. Man, it was so obvious. After this chop and killer moves, how many points was this? 53 points. Yesterday, the first candle was like 110 points or something. Okay. If you guys have any questions, don't be shy. Something wrong with Apex. I can't trade due to market volatility. Trading on selected material instruments halted across all vendors. Existing position new trades are restricted until further notice. Oh yeah, Torren. Unfortunately, they restricted literally all the pairs that moves fast. That this is what it is. Sir, this Borsa toolkit, yes, it works on gold. It works on gold. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if we get one more leg down. And we have nice targets here, which is 5 February high. We have weekly open. Man, we added a lot of stuff. Dun 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 dun. Mm. 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 Okay. While we're watching the market, we just testing to the new toolkit. Man, it looks beautiful, right? Come on. Come on. I promise you, it will level up so much your trading strategies, guys. So much. I know 90% of you fall in love with the care package, so you're gonna go crazy with this one. I promise you. So the further leg down, these are the targets right now. Okay, attach the file. If you guys have any future requests, it might be a great time to ask right now. Borsa, are you funded or you use your own capital? To trade, to day trade, I use the prop firms. To swing trade, I use my own capital. So I'm making money from props and taking to my live account and buy some long-term stocks and indexes. Sir, you will make a setup on account because I have not much experience. It's easy to use. I'm a beginner. Can you use it? Oh, that's a good question. I don't know. If you have no idea about the ICT concepts, I don't suggest this toolkit is for you. But if you really want to learn, there's a whole playlist called Ultimate Free Bootcamp on the channel. You can just go and watch it and learn. Oh, what a drop it was. Mr. Borsa, is it takes 1 month? We also get update. Yes, you all guys will get the update. Yeah, the we plan to release like middle of the March, so 30 to 45 days. Okay. And we do also upgraded the in time. Let me just quickly show you guys. What we added is, where is it? Yeah, we added the AI features. Okay, it comes with the breaker length. You can just choose the day trading, scalping, whatever you want. You can change the minimum RRs, and you have now the stats over here. It's under construction right now. It doesn't show the real numbers, but so It is what it is. It'll be a banger one. Oh yeah, and we edit this macro overlays real time on the chart, so you guys now will see which macro you will be trading and what happened during that macro. It will give you nice ideas and avoid the times trading outside of the macros. So we just making like the best tool possible ever on the planet. What are the long-term stocks you use or suggest? Okay, so one thing before I tell you guys this, it's a disclaimer. I have to do that. I'm not a financial expert or I don't have any license. It's not a financial advice, but what I do is, since you guys asked, I buy Tesla, I buy Nvidia, I have a Palantir from the $18, I guess, my cost. So I was the really, really early buyers of those. And recently I purchased again the Tesla from the 380s. And yeah, these are the three stocks that I keep stacking. Is there an option to adjust the fonts in the toolkit bigger? I could hardly read it. Oh, interesting. So, for example, which one? The 830s, 930s, you mean? If you can be more specific about it, we can just add easily. So, guys, we adding these alerts like the bullish order block detection, the blah blah blah, all that stuff. We're gonna keep the old features and add the new ones. So, gonna be wild one. Incoming A plus 950 macro right now. We're looking for longs at the moment. I will be buyer here. Let's see. The target is the session high, obviously. And we have the first FVG of the day. Might create a trouble a little. So all these tools is just like, to make us more profit. We have the new week opening gap. We forgot to add the date. So I believe it's the 7 of, yeah, 7, week 7. Yeah, there are little missing parts, obviously. It's the beta version. But you guys will have the full working version. That's why we're testing. No signal yet. Uh, okay, finally the A plus. I'm gonna take this with the two contracts right now. Okay. So the first partial will be the safe one, which is like here, the midline of this first presented FVG. Okay, come on. Fonts, London, high, low. Okay, let me just take a screenshot of this. Borsa, can you explain the confirmation for the trade you took? Of course. I will do that happily for you. Come on, I missed to take a partial. Okay, we took the one partial. 50 ticks. A plus buy signal, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. The reason I took a partial here because we are now trading inside of the first presented fair value gap of the day. And, there's a high chance that we can just come back. I just paid myself. My stop loss is with this rejection candle. So I will answer the questions. Samuel, I will answer your question. Just let me take a screenshot of this. Okay. Tor, we will handle that. We will handle that. Let me just add it to my notes so we don't forget. So I want to take the full TP at the 75. Guys, I think we the best. Look at the accuracy here. In and out, baby. Just keep making more money. Come on, 130 ticks. We about to invert the first presented fair value gap of the day. And in 5 points, we're gonna take the full TP. Oh my lord, we're just making money here live every day. Come on. Give me 5 more points. 5 more points. 5 more points. There is no way you come back down and stop us out. Come on. We already booked the profits. Don't play with us. Okay. 5 more points. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it happening right now all over again? Boom, baby. A plus buy signal banked over again. Look at my chart. A plus sell, A plus buy. You just confirm it and go with the flow. Is it hard to do? Absolutely not. I'm giving you guys the golden keys here for the market. And there is a discount, 30%. Use code FEB. Samuel, now I will answer your question. I just sold too early, I guess, but. Okay, so Samuel, the reason I confirmed this A plus is the market opened. We get the signal before the market opened, okay? And we did a deep retest. It was a deep retest, right? If you go oversized, you could easily get stopped out. But what's my favorite position is we do this deep retest and we don't even close the candle, okay, inside of the CB. That's what you want to see. This is like the market is calling you, short me, baby, short me, baby. Why? Because if the pricing power, if the buying power was powerful, we could easily close the candle inside of this gap. But what happened? We closed way below it, way below it. And we even closed below the 930. That was my signal. I took the short. It did the retest again. I close my position and I go short again. This is it. I don't get attached, okay? I always say this. If I lose money, I don't even care. Why? Because I'm like a robot. I'm a machine. If I was not a machine, if I'm not trading with like a machine, I will get stopped out and blow my account every day. I need to think like a machine, okay? So this was the idea. Now after one candle, I see it's now a high probe and I took it. And I ride it through the targets. And this one also. We took all the levels here. We took the Asia low. We took the London low. We took the 830. There is no level for me that takes my interest. And we reversed. And we get the A plus. And we took the long. And what happened? We banked, baby. This is the idea. So, two trades of 100% winning rate. Yes, Joshua. Yes, we did it again. How do you confirm? I just explained. If you didn't understand, just type it again. I will explain. Even looking at this beta version on your screen made me have a two perfect trade, Mr. Borsa. Oh, Onaga, so happy to hear that. Half speed 2 restarts, now it's working. Oh my god, half speed, I'm so sorry for you, man. I hate that kind of technical issues, and it happens to me a lot, as you guys know. So, I feel you, my friend. Guys. Another day, another banking, you know. Now, it's just me and you, the dear charts. I don't think that anyone can come very close to us. We have the idea, we have the strategy, we have the execution plan. This everything comes with like a package, right? It's just not like with the signals. You have to have the system that can protect you when you took the losing trades. And yesterday, same thing happened to me. Today, the same thing happened. My first trade was loss. Yesterday, also the same. You can just go back and watch it. Nearly the same times. Market played with me. Then, the next trade I took was the winning one. Oh yeah, Spit. That could be the nightmare, man. That could be the nightmare. All right, the 10 a.m. candle, my favorite candle of the day. We didn't get the session high from the Nasdaq yet, so we have now the SMT between the ES. Interesting, but I don't think that this SMT will hold forever. Sir, that your use love now. Which indicator, sir? I can buy this. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful Tuesday. It's a beautiful Tuesday. If you guys still didn't hit the like button, okay, it's the time for crash the like button. I want you to push the like button for me. Why? Because we took three trades, two of them was banking. And now we back on green. That's what we do every day. We keep repeating it. We keep making money. We keep making more money. The consistency over everything. All right, all right, all right. How old are you when you start trading, day trading? Oh, that's a good question. Um, so when I start trading, I start with the forex, and it was 2010, I believe, maybe 2009. Yeah, that was the time I started trading. I was trading forex. My first trade I took was the crude oil. I remember like today. And then I switched to the option trading. I love it. I still do. Then I start trading with the prop, right? So when I started this channel, I was trading options on my live account, and there are still videos. Yeah, it was back in that time. Then I have switched to the prop and futures trading. Basically, it was fun. It was fun. Now still trading futures, and I'm very happy with that because God bless prop firms. I mean, these on live screen, which indicator? Oh, these are the Borsa 321 toolkit. All these ones. All the indicators is Borsa 321 toolkit. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm watching for NQ if it can make a new session high. Let's see. Let's see. I'm having so much fun today. So much fun today. The market, the ATR is 25. So, as you guys know that this is our favorite ATR value. You can go up to 10 contracts, 10 micros in 25 ATR. So, I see a continuation. First FVG of the day might be retested, then create a new high. Anything can happen right now. We just tape reading it. These are the trades, all live executed in front of you guys. And if you have any questions, don't be shy. Louis, Louis, how is the mentorship program going? How are the students doing? Oh, they're doing good. It's a fun, definitely. And yesterday we had a call with the Stiegen. He's just pacing up, learning the stuff, and understand. So if you're watching me right now, uh, he understands the trades that we took today, more or less. He has now roughly an idea. But to be honest, currently I am not planning to take any more students to mentorship program because it's so much commitment from my side, and I'm getting stressed about the students, that I feel like, I have a mission now that I have to make them a profitable trader in a consistent basis, right? So it's really like some nights that I just lose my sleeps, that, oh, am I teaching them in a good way? So what can I provide them more to make them more profitable? And so it stresses me. I'm not the person like just sell something and go away. So that's the reason we stopped taking new students, unfortunately, guys. And I don't know if we reopen it again. I don't think so at that period of time. The first thing is like it stresses me, and the second thing is takes my millions of times. Can you explain little about ATR, and below 25 is better, or oh, good question. I loved this kind of questions. ATR. This is the measurement that we use, okay? So I divide ATR by the two types: 25 below or above it. So if we, okay, if we below the 25, you can go up to 10 contracts. First rule. Second rule, 15 ATR. If we are below the 15 ATR, you just take it easy. Because why? Market can chop lot. I don't think that New York session will give you like 15 ATR, especially the New York AM. Oh, what's going on here? Look at this. So 15 ATR, I should suggest like go like 5. Okay, the sweet spot is between 15 to 25. Above 25, we drop our size to 5. This is it. So this is how ATR works. It's like a tool that we use for determine the size of our position. But that's a nice question. That's a nice question. Oh. I bought the new pillow from the Purple. They say it will fix my neck, but I don't think that it will help. Okay. This weekend I'm going for a mountain to ski. Will not be able to trade. Alright, what do we have, guys? What do we have on the chart? I don't know why we don't have lines here, but yeah, strange. Two trades. Banking. Oh my god, look at this candle. 10 past 10. I don't think that most of the trading influencers can come up like this and trade live. It's not about the trading live, but showing real time all the executions. I'm showing the losses, I'm showing where I enter, I'm showing how I enter. No hindsight capital. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. The macro is over in 1 minute. Oh, look at this now. We created the suspension block. Is this line was here all the time? Why is it acting like it's repainting? Interesting. I think the trading view is creating these troubles. New session high on the both pairs. Macro is over in 30 seconds. Two signal, two of them was winning. Yesterday was like a miracle also. Okay. Guys, if you have any questions, we can chat, we can talk, we can discuss. Okay. We're watching chilling the market right now. So this box is the first FVG of the day. Look at the suspension blocks. It really works, by the way. So SP means the suspension block, and the idea is between two volume imbalance, the price creates this suspension block. So if it's too bullish volume imbalance, it's a bullish suspension block. Easy like that. So you can see price traded into it, respected the middle, and pushed higher. The question: do you ever use Fib extension when there? Yeah, I use it, and guess what? We added to the new in time. Let me show you. We added the in time new feature called. Where is it? I can't see it. Not in this version. Wait. SMT, stats dashboard. Oh, maybe it's in the care package. Too much thing. First presented, blah blah blah. Here it is. Auto Fibonacci levels. If you enable it, you can just play around with those, obviously, and you can change the colors. You can do whatever you want. So this is it. We added this feature on the new care package. So if there is no target, like if we're trading at the all-time highs, right? I use it. But if there is no target, I don't push that much. I don't rush into trade. Since you guys know, if we don't have a target today, we have it tomorrow. That's the idea. How many likes we have? How many likes we have? I wonder how many likes. 26, not bad. We should get more. What is ES1 and YM1 stand for? Okay, good question. ES1 is the S&P futures. YM is the Dow Jones futures. So it's showing you the SMT. But in the new version, to remove that unnecessary lines, what we did is we have decreased SMT to 1, and from now on you will be able to check for multiple time frames at the same time. Okay, SMTs. It will be awesome, it will be nice. So we just need some time to do more retests and everything. Let's see. Yeah, you see there is a SMT, and that's true, I guess. Should be true, right? Let me see. This is the low. 942, 948. Beautiful catch. Oh my god, if I saw this, I would have taken this long from here. Anyways, but yeah, these features are here for you guys. We keep inventing, we keep creating, and people will keep copying us. Ha ha ha. I don't care. I don't mind. Okay, boys and girls, 9, 4, 10, 14. Guys, don't forget that we're running a promotion, right? And with the new releases of these features, don't cry later, but the monthly price will be 120 bucks. That's for sure, okay? Now it's for 55. Unfortunately, we have to do it. But if you purchase from, I don't know your pricing structure now, there are some guys that are still paying like 28 bucks. So you will be locked into the price. So you don't need to worry about it. My account didn't let me trade NQ futures. What? Really? What is your which firm you trading with? Oh, because they have limited lot of pairs, man. That's the reason. They literally limited all the mini contracts. They want you to trade micros. Crazy. If it's a funded account, they don't want you to make more money. But if it's a challenge account, you can do whatever you want, I guess. But that's not fair, obviously. You can just walk up and tell the people that we love you, we think about you. If you trade gold, you can make a lot of money. So let's just you know restrict the gold trading. Why? If I lose money, no problem. If I make money, there is a problem. Oh man, I don't know. Crazy times right now. But the while the new firms is popping up like the Lucid and everyone, this competition will fire up the things. Now, remember, back in the days, all we were trading with the top step. Now, who cares about top step? It's your live account and you can trade Nasdaq, the mini contract. Oh man, it's not possible. It's not possible. The only thing I can think of is maybe they increase the margin requirements for high volatility. Maybe. And other than that, there is no reason. There's no reason. You should definitely open a support ticket right now. You're doing on the Robinhood. Oh, never use that, man. But high chance, I heard it before. A lot of times they do the margin increase of margin requirements, so you might be facing that issue. I remember they had halted the GameStop trading, so they can do those kind of things though. Personally, I do trade with the Interactive Brokers and TD Ameritrade. Now it's purchased by the Charles Schwab, so I'm happy with those guys. I didn't have any issue with them. The only thing is obviously the margin requirements are high if you compare with like the AMP or the Trade08 live accounts. But that's fine. Okay, market chops. Now the question is, are we going to make a new session high or are we going to make the session low? That is the question. People need answers. All right. Retesting this bearish fair value gap, the CB here. New care package is on fire. Hope you guys love it. And we do have a crazy updates on the higher time frame indicator. We are adding the inversions, the volume imbalance, and all that stuff. So will be massive. Nice. This is nice rejection. This is nice rejection. So we have the bearish order block right now. Bearish volume imbalance, bearish fair value gap. We did the session high. So this can take us to the new session lows. I see a short setup, but need some confirmations. Uh, so currently I see something like this. 1.54. This can even go to 830, which will give like 1.9. Yeah, stop must be here. But it's a dynamic support, right? You need to see the candle closure. So it's like a 35 points of a stop loss right now. I don't like the setup that much. It can also do a session high because look at the ES. It's very close to it, right? So didn't took the setup yet. If I took, you guys will see. Okay. So let's say this candle closed below this gap. That time I want to go short. But this candle, I don't like it. Right? So this is the candle that I don't like that much. No need to rush. We got two A plus. Two of them is printed out. And that's what usually happens. Oh my god. So I think the new session high is incoming. We rejected from the 09. Inversion. This looks like they want to take it higher. And what do we have on the targets? We have this 4-hour tick. Oh, sorry. This is the daily high. I'm sorry. This is the daily high. So 100 points away. Possible target. What lot size do you use, sir? So there is no lot size in the futures, but in terms of contract size, I go between 10 to 5 micros on the funded. On the challenge, I go to up to 25. Depends on the position. Depends on the risk. If I see a cheap trade, I can go 25. I don't mind. Oh, nice. 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 Interesting. Very interesting. All right. All right. What do you want to do, buddy? That is interesting. Okay. You want to close the candle below the 930 or what? Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is a nice fake out. Look at this. No session high on the both pairs. We barely closed the candle below the 930. I guess we're going for 830 right now. This is a perfect rejection from the bearish order block. Did you guys see that? Textbook. This is the textbook. Take the fib. Okay. Take it to top. Take it to bottom. And look where it rejected. It works every time. My concepts are easy. They are not complicated. The only thing is you need to watch out some couple of certain stuff like the bearish order blocks, the bullish one, the opening prices, session highs and lows. That's it. Rest of it, the money will come to you. I definitely see a short right now, but it's not an A plus. It's like a B forming setup. Okay. It's now 10 past 27. Inversion on the both sides. We do have the bearish inversion. Now we do have the bullish inversion, which is interesting. If you guys took these trades with me, you don't have to ask for more. It will be like greediness, and you don't need that. Why? Because you have tomorrow, you have Thursday, you have Friday to trade. Always keep this in mind. Today is not the last day of the trading, so relax. Okay, please. Guys, I think I'm done for the day. I don't know about you, but we made enough money. We happy. And yeah, that's it. That's all. And today I have happy to trade live with you guys again and do the whole show again like we always do. So thank you guys for joining the live session. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for the love. And if you guys learned something new today, all I want you to do is smash the like button. And I assume you're already a subscriber. So love you guys all. Take care. Don't blow accounts. Do not overtrade. And bye for now.